How to view books in store in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can know and see the books in the store. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this library button. Simply tap on this library button. Now on the top, you can see the books that you have downloaded. So these are the books in my contacts. Now you can simply select the book that you want to know about. Now here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Tap on this three dot icon. Here on the second option, you'll be able to see view in store. Tap on view in store. So this will directly open to the place and the book info about it. Now here you can know each and every details about this book. Here you can even directly buy it. So you can directly buy it by just tapping on buy now. So you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.